Let's learn how you can make brochure on Canva. So when you start, you want to open your browser and go to canva.com website. This page will appear you as home page. Now to open brochure editing, you want to click on more. On search, you want to type in brochure, for example, and just find one that suits you the best. I will take just one for example. And here will appear some untilted design. Now you will see the templates right here on left side, and you want to go and see what kind of templates you need for your project. For example, I could do some food. So I will type food brochure, and this one looks the best. It is pro. Okay, we can take this one for example. And some of them will have like double-sided, so here will be the button if you want to apply both of them. Now we can go back here to editing, so you can edit everything, like whatever you need, whatever you see. You can also add new pictures. You can also edit, for example, this contact info. You can place yours. You can add your menu, for example, right here if you want to change anything. When you're finished with everything, you want to click on share, download, or copy link to share it somewhere. You can also embed it if you want to place it on some site, and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.